Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. KK Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on statistical methods. This is part first. Now come to the questions. A numerical value used as a summary measure for a sample, such as a sample mean, is known as a. Options are A. Population parameter, B. Sample parameter, C. Sample statistic, D. Population mean. Correct option is C. Sample statistic. 2. Statistics branches include A. Applied statistics, B. Mathematical statistics, C. Industry statistics, or D. Both A and B. Here correct option is D. Both A and B. Question number 3. To enhance a procedure, the control charts and procedures of descriptive statistics are classified into A. Behavioral tools, B. Serial tools, C. Industry statistics, D. Statistical tools. Correct option is A. Behavioral tools. 4. Sample statistics are also represented as A. Lowercase Greek letter, B. Roman letters, C. Associated Roman alphabets, D. Uppercase Greek letter. Correct option is B. Roman letters. 5. Individual respondents, focus groups and panels of respondents are categorized as A. Primary data sources, B. Secondary data sources, C. Itemized data sources, or D. Pointed data sources. Correct option is A. Primary data sources. 6. The variables whose calculation is done according to the weight, height and length and weight are known as A. Flowchart variables, B. Discrete variables, C. Continuous variables, D. Measuring variables. Correct option is C. Continuous variables. 7. A method used to examine inflation rate anticipation, unemployment rate and capacity utilization to produce products are classified as A. Data exporting technique, B. Data importing technique, C. Forecasting technique, or D. Data supplying technique. Correct option is C. Forecasting technique. 8. Graphical and numerical methods are specialized processes utilized in A. Education statistics, B. Descriptive statistics, C. Business statistics, or D. Social statistics. Correct option is B. Descriptive statistics. 9. The scale applied in statistics, which imparts a difference of magnitude and proportions, is considered as A. Exponential scale, B. Goodness scale, C. Ratio scale, D. Satisfactory scale. Correct option is C. Ratio scale. 10. Review of performance appraisal, labor turnover rates, planning of incentives and training programs, and are examples of A. Statistics in production, B. Statistics in marketing, C. Statistics in finance, D. Statistics in personnel management. Here correct option is D. Statistics in personnel management. 11. If 3 letters are to be put in 3 addressed envelopes randomly, the probability that one of the letters are in the correct envelope, here correct option is C. 1 by 3. 12. For which of the following distributions mean and variance are equal? A. Normal, B. Poisson distribution, C. Binomial, or D. Negative binomial distribution. Correct option is B. Poisson distribution. 13. A coin is tossed 5 times in succession. What is the probability of getting at least 4 heads? So here, if you calculate, you will find option C to be correct as 1 by 16. 14. Sampling error can be reduced by A. Non-probability sampling, B. Increasing the population size, C. Decreasing the sample size, or D. Increasing the sample size. Correct option is D. Increasing the sample size. 15. Neyman-Pearson lemma provides always A. An unbiased test, B. A most powerful test, C. An admissible test, or D. A minimax test. Correct option is B. A most powerful test. 16. If there is linear trend present in the population, then which of the following methods is most efficient sampling technique? A. Cluster sampling, B. Systematic sampling, C. Stratified sampling, or D. Simple random sampling. Correct option is B. Systematic sampling. 70. When the population consists of heterogeneity, which sampling procedure is preferred? A. Stratified random sampling, B. Simple random sampling, C. Systematic, or D. Double sampling. Correct option is A. Stratified random sampling. 80. Which of the following sampling technique is preferred when population units are numbered and arranged in order? A. Simple random sampling, B. Stratified sampling, C. Systematic sampling, or D. Sequential sampling. Correct option is C. Systematic sampling. 19. Which of the following is not a basic principle of experimental design? A. Randomization, B. Confounding, C. Local control, or D. Replication. Correct option is B. Confounding. 20. The Wishart distribution is a multivariate generalization of A. Normal distribution, B. T distribution, C. chi-square distribution, or D. F distribution. That is ANOVA. Here correct option is C. Chi-square distribution. 21. The range of a regression coefficient is, correct option is C. -1 to +1. 22. The regression coefficient is independent of the change of, correct option is B. Origin only. 23. The distribution of Hoteling's T square is, correct option is C. F. 24. The distribution of test statistics used in sign test is, correct option is D. Binomial. The distribution of test statistics used in median test is normally D. chi-square. 26. The non-parametric equivalent of one-way analysis of variance is A. Friedman test, B. Kruskal-Wallis test, C. Cochran test, or D. chi-square test. Correct option is B. Kruskal-Wallis test. 27. A numerical value used as summary measure for a sample, such as sample mean, is known as A. Population parameter, B. Sample parameter, C. Sample statistic, or D. Population mean. Correct option is C. Sample statistic. 28. Statistics branches include A. Applied statistics, B. Mathematical statistics, C. Industry statistics, or D. Both A and B. Correct option is D. Both A and B. 29. To enhance a procedure, the control charts and procedures of descriptive statistics are classified into A. Correct option is behavioral tools. 30. Sample statistics are also represented as, correct option is B. Roman letters. So this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Art Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.